Hello everybody, my name is Miss Elise and welcome back to another afternoon snack at the library. This month we're making ranch flavored oyster crackers. In order to make this snack you will need 1.5 cups of oyster crackers, 2 teaspoons of ranch dressing mix, and 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil. You will also need a plate or dish to spread the oyster crackers on to dry. Step 1. Open the bag with the oyster crackers and dump the ranch dressing mix and the oil inside. Then zip up the bag. Step 2. Shake the bag until the oyster crackers are evenly coated. Step 3. Spread the coated oyster crackers on a plate to dry for 1 hour. After the hour is up, you can enjoy your snack. Now that's all the time that we have for afternoon snack at the library today, but I will be back again next month with another snack. Don't forget to cast your vote by following the link to the survey on the instructions. But for now, take care, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye!